How to delete Reddit community. Let's get started. Launch your Reddit app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Now navigate to the community that you want to delete. Now head over to the option More Tools. Now navigate to the section People and then click on the option Moderators. Click on the tab Editable. Now here you're going to find a username. Click on three dots. Click on the option Remove. And just for that, you have been removed as a moderator from this community. Now you can head back. Now close your Reddit app, launch it again, click on three bars. Now you won't find that community over here. So this way you can easily get rid of community on Reddit. By following the same steps, you can easily get rid of other communities as well. This process is similar to deleting Reddit community. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.